In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom message on Facebook Marketplace. A custom message is a simple way to set expectations with buyers or streamline your replies so you spend less time typing and more time selling. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clear, friendly message ready to go on Marketplace. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for buying or selling on Marketplace. If your app looks a little different from what you see here, that's normal. Layouts can vary slightly based on device and app version. Next, look to the upper right corner of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu, sometimes called the hamburger icon. It's where Facebook keeps shortcuts to different features, including Marketplace. From the menu, tap Marketplace. You'll recognize it by the little storefront icon. This takes you into the Marketplace home where you can view your listings, messages, bicycle, and preferences. Now in the upper right area of the Marketplace screen, tap your profile. This opens your Marketplace profile hub, which includes your activity, listings, and the tools you'll need to manage how you communicate with buyers. Scroll down and tap Settings. Settings is where you control how Marketplace behaves for your account, including notifications and messaging preferences, so it's the right spot for customizing your default message. In the Settings area, tap Set a Custom Message. This option allows you to define the text that will be used as your go-to message for Marketplace conversations. Think of it as your ready-made response or greeting that helps you reply quickly and consistently. Create a sample message that's short, clear, and friendly. A good structure is to greet, confirm context, and share next steps. For example, "Hi, thanks for your message about the item. I'm happy to help. Please let me know your preferred pickup window and if you have any questions." You can add helpful details such as general availability windows or whether you accept cash or contactless payment, but avoid sharing sensitive information. Keep your tone polite, include the item name if you manage multiple listings, and stick to 1 or 2 sentences so it's easy for buyers to read. You can revise this later if your hours or preferences change, so don't worry about making it perfect the first time. That's it, your custom message is ready. With this in place, you'll respond faster, set expectations early, and keep Marketplace chats organized. If your workflow changes, just return to the same settings area to update your message anytime. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Marketplace.